Hello, you peeps. Here's my setup for the tornado warning. As you can see, I'm making an animation, but we're not gonna talk about it. Oh wait, my drawing pad, all that other crap. Cause come on, if I'm the only one here, I might as well make myself comfortable. That was some nice thunder. Gonna go outside and okay, so the clouds were much darker, and there were actually clouds. Oh wow, that made the door go open. That is not a good sign. We're just gonna close this door. Goodbye, nice winds. Hope you don't murder us all, because you know that's a rude thing to do. Okay, nature kind of sucks in a way, but just turn on the tornado sirens, please, so I have an excuse to use my awesomely uncomfortable setup. I have a tornado warning till 2:30. Well, bye.